In this video, I will show you how to use BigBlueButton as a teacher. Still, first of all, browser selection. BigBlueButton is browser-based software, and you need to use Chrome or Firefox to get the best performance. Also, try to use the latest version of the browser. If you are using iOS mobile devices like iPhone or iPad, then you need to use Safari. For Android, you need to use Chrome or Firefox. The minimum requirement for mobile devices: iOS 12.2+, Android 6.0+. But for a teacher, we do not recommend you to use mobile devices since running BigBlueButton on mobile still has limitations. Such as you cannot share screens, and also for a smaller screen, not easy for a teacher to perform the best online lesson teaching. Okay, now, let us get into the BigBlueButton session with Firefox browser for a demo. First thing, after you start to load the BigBlueButton meeting in your browser, you'll see you'll be asked to select the audio options. I can join listen only, but I'm going to join with microphone. I click it. BigBlueButton puts me into an echo test. Just lets me check my audio test. Okay, all good, and I am in the live BigBlueButton session now. I see the presentation area here. Again, the public chat is visible by default. And the users list. When you join as a moderator, you have a square icon that says this is all the moderators. The students, the viewers, join with circles. When I'm talking, you can see that my name is flashing. I can mute myself here by just pressing the mute button. When a student unmutes, you'll hear them, but you can also click and mute them. You may also see students joined listen only. When the students joined listen only, they can't talk, but they can hear you as well. Students can also set their status, which means an icon will replace their avatar. Here is the happy face, and I'm going to clear all the icons as well as the instructor. You can start and stop the recording at any time. Here I'm going to start recording, and a message appears, and I can also click it again to pause the recording, and I can start and pause the recording as many times as I want during the session. I can mute all the users. I can mute everyone except myself. And I can also lock the viewers down as well. So this means I can prevent them from sharing webcams, sharing a microphone, public chat, private chat, as much as you want. This one here is that you want to prevent them from seeing everyone else's webcams. It means that they will only see your webcam, but you'll see all the students' webcams. To apply it, just click. I think they'll see an icon here next to their name that says they're locked. If you want to unlock the capabilities, go back to lock settings. I could turn off the locks, and then they'll be able to do everything again. You also can put students into breakout rooms. To do this, you choose to create breakout rooms. It's a list of students. I can drag and drop a student between each room. I can choose several breakout rooms, configure durations, and also can configure students to choose which breakout room they want to join. Let's set it to 3 minutes, and I click Create. You'll see the Breakout Rooms tab appear to the left, and now you can see students, the count of students as they go into breakout rooms. You can join the audio in the breakout room, and you can also fully join the breakout room. If you do that, it'll just give you the invitation to join, and they'll bring you into the breakout room just like the students. You can join the audio, you can see the students in the room, and when you want to quit the breakout room, close the tab. Then you come back to the main room. Sometimes, you may wish to end the breakout rooms before the end time. You need to click End. I'll rejoin the audio, and we're back in the main room. Students are all back, ready to pick up where you left off. Let's turn to the presentation area here. By default, the whiteboard tools are selected so I can use the pen tool to draw. I have a series of tools here as well, which I can use. so if I want to draw and do a little bit of drawing, and is easy. As the instructor, I can also give the students the ability to draw by turn on a multi-user whiteboard. When I do that, you can see their icons move, and they can draw on their layer. They can't overwrite anything. But you as a presenter can turn on and off the multi-user whiteboard anytime you want. If I turn it off, students can no longer draw, and if I clear it, I can clear all the whiteboard marks as a presenter. You have some controls here. On the left-hand side, I can start a poll, upload a presentation, or share a YouTube video. Let's start with the uploaded presentation. I can bring this up. I can browse my files, and here I've got something ready to go. This slide has a question. It could be a slide deck of 200 slides. Very efficient to share a presentation because it only downloads once to the user's computer. Here the slides have A, B, C, and D. Let's say I want to do a poll and ask the students what the result is. BigBlueButton actually can realize that you have a poll for A, B, C, D. You also have the polling option here. And I can choose A, B, C, D, so if I do it, the students are all presented with a poll. I can see there's one response, and I can publish the results. When polling is done, I close the poll, and then I can clear the polling results if I want. If I want to share a YouTube video, I click here to choose to share a YouTube video. I have a URL ready to go. Just click it. I do share the video presentation area that will become the video. And it will start playing, and all the students will see the same video. You as the instructor can scrub ahead to the video. They'll all scrub to head. At the same point, start playing, and if you pause, they pause as well. It was a straightforward way to share a video with your students. If I want to stop sharing the video, so you stop sharing and stop sharing the video, it goes back to the presentation area. If I want to start an RTMP live streaming and broadcast your session to YouTube or Facebook, click this option, input the required server information, click start, and then be ready to go. You also can share the screen, so I'm here. I'm using Firefox now. I click the share screen button, and it gives me listed options here. And I can choose an entire screen, application window. I choose here my entire screen, and then I click share. In a moment, the screen sharing will start up. You'll see this kind of screen with a mirror effect just because I'm sharing my screen while viewing it at the same time. Don't worry, and when you go to another page, your user will just see your new page screen, not this mirror screen. To avoid this, you can share an application window since that gives you a little bit of privacy on your computer as well. We have a tutorial to show you how to prevent this mirror effect while sharing a screen. You can have a look. You can make someone a presenter. You can make someone else presenter, and if I do that, Marta can move the mouse around. I can see the mouse moving. You can remove any user, and you can also promote them to the moderator. Finally, when the session is finished, you can choose to log out. Or if you want, you can end the meeting, which would kick everybody out. Okay, and that's an overview of how to use BigBlueButton as a moderator. Thanks for watching this tutorial video. If you want to learn more LMS-related tutorial videos, please subscribe to our channel to receive notifications when a new video is released. Thanks.